Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can log out in WhatsApp. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. The first step you need to do is to open WhatsApp. Once you open WhatsApp, and then you need to click on three dots in the top right, and then you need to click on settings. But here in settings, you will see that only delete my account option is there, and there is no option to log out. So how you can log out? You simply need to go back, and then you need to click on the settings icon in the top right, and then you need to scroll down and click on app management, and then you need to click on app list, and here you need to search for the WhatsApp. So let's find WhatsApp here. Okay, and then you need to click on storage and cache, and first you need to click on clear cache. Okay, and then you need to click on clear storage, and here you can see that all this app data will be deleted permanently. This includes all files, settings, accounts, database, etc. So you simply need to click on OK, and then you need to go back to see. So now you can see that I am logged out from my WhatsApp. So this is a process by which you can log out from WhatsApp. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.